Hey guys, in today's video, I have a fun video to share with you guys. I want to talk about something a little different, and that is the brand new iOS animations coming to iPhone with iOS 18. Yes, animations on iPhone have become something that many look forward to. And whether you have an Android device or an iOS device, some of the best animations are on iOS. So I want to start off with an animation that they shared with us, which is Apple Cash Transfer. So if you go into the wallet application on your iPhone when you're running iOS 18, you go into Apple Cash, and then you send some money to someone by using the tap to cash right here option. So let's go ahead and select the dollar here, click next. Obviously, you're going to have to authenticate with Face ID, so double click. Once you authenticate, you can send this money to another iOS user. But take a look at this animation right here. And once I go to transfer this to another device, the animation looks even cooler. So take a look at this animation here. This is just so nice. So take a look at this, transferring the money. And the animations is so awesome. It just looks so cool. You can accept, obviously, or decline. If you accept the money, then obviously the transaction gets completed. I think this is one of the best looking animations so far for Apple Cash Transfer this year coming to iPhone with iOS 18. Now, the next animation I want to talk about is creating memories within the Photos application with Apple Intelligence. So if you have a device like an iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max or newer compatible with Apple Intelligence, you can jump into the Photos application on your iPhone and you can create new memories using Apple Intelligence. Now, the animation that Apple created in order to, develop or create these memories on an iPhone is just next level. So when you go to create a memory, Apple, of course, the Apple Intelligence will give you a few suggestions: fall of 2023, summer of 2024, a year ago. So let's select fall of 2023 and take a look at this animation. So this is easily one of the coolest and better looking animations on iOS, and with iOS 18, this is probably one of the top new coolest animations coming to iPhone. Once the memory is created, you see there, you get your memory with your music and all that stuff, but it is definitely one of the coolest animations coming this year to iPhone. The ability to create memories with Apple Intelligence and the fact that that animation just looks insane. I really, really love it. Let me know what you think about this one. And then there's also Siri. So if you have an Apple Intelligence compatible device, Siri UI will be entirely different this year. So when you press on the side button here, or the Siri button, the animation starts from the button and then it goes all across your display, and the actual UI reacts to your voice. So let me press here. You see the UI starts on the button. It takes over the entire display sort of with a wave effect. And as I speak, you see that the actual UI, these colors around the edges here, react to my voice every time I speak. So when I press to Siri here, you see that the UI reacts to my voice. It changes colors, so it looks really nice. I think the UI here on the top looks very clean. I'm sure Apple will continue to also polish that. Not only that, but when you use the custom Siri phrase, you also get a really cool effect coming from the bottom. Let me see if I can capture that for you guys. Hey Siri. See that? You sort of get sort of this wave effect with the UI here, and it looks amazing. Let's see that one more time. Hey Siri. See that? I think it looks phenomenal. Also, the type to Siri, where you can double tap on the bottom of the screen, you get your keyboard, and you get this really nice gradient keyboard, and it just continues to flow with different colors. I think these animations look phenomenal, and if you have an Apple Intelligence compatible iPhone this year, like 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or later, you're going to love the new Siri UI and everything in regards to the new animations with Siri. I think it looks phenomenal. Siri 2.0 obviously will continue to improve as iOS 18 continues to progress. So there you guys have it. These are going to be some of the best new animations, in my opinion, coming to iPhone this year with iOS 18 and Apple Intelligence. Let me know if there's any other animation that you like that I did not mention in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.